Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So there I was, staring at my guitar for the third time in like 5 years, wondering if this was just gonna be another one of those I'll totally learn it this time situations that ends up going nowhere fast. Y'all know what I'm talking about. We've all got that thing sitting around collecting dust because life just gets crazy busy. Here's the thing, I kept seeing these Simply Guitar ads popping up everywhere when I looked online. And I do mean everywhere. My phone, my laptop, when I was just trying to watch some fishing videos on YouTube. Finally, I thought, all right, universe, I get it. It's time. Let's see what all the fuss is about. Now, some parts surprised me in a good way. Others, I got some thoughts. So stick around and let's figure out if this thing is actually worth your time or whether it's just another shiny app making big promises that it can't keep. Before we dive into whether this thing actually works or not, let me tell you what Simply Guitar is. If you ever heard of Simply Piano, it's from the same folks. They've been doing this music learning thing for a while. Right off the bat, I really appreciate their learning approach. They're not trying to turn you into some guitar virtuoso overnight. No heavy music theory, no stress, no master these 17 scales before you can play a song nonsense. Just pick up your guitar and start making some music. I grew up playing piano, and as someone who's helped other folks learn instruments before, I gotta say that philosophy makes a whole lot of sense. Look, most people just want to play a few songs around the campfire, not audition for the Grand Ole Opry. Now getting started, stupid easy. Download the app, answer a few questions about what you know and what kind of music you're into, and you're basically ready to go. It takes like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Now here's where it gets interesting. The app listens to your actual playing through your phone's microphone. I know, I was skeptical too. I mean, come on, a phone mic is gonna accurately hear guitar notes? I'll be damned. It worked better than I expected. You just tap to start a lesson, follow along with what's on screen, and get instant feedback. It feels a little weird at first if you're used to like real amps and all that gear, but for someone just starting out, that immediate, yes, you got it, or try again, feedback actually helps build confidence quickly. The lessons themselves are laid out clean and simple. No confusing menus, no rabbit holes of music theory, just step-by-step stuff that makes sense. I kind of like having that one teacher that we all remember who's super chill and never made you feel bad about messing up. Yeah, I like that. All right, let's talk money. Simply Guitar runs on a subscription model. It's about $10 a month if you pay for the whole year up front. And here's something nice, that covers up to 5 people. So if your kid wants to learn or your partner's been eyeing that dusty guitar in the corner, y'all are all set. Feature-wise, it's pretty beginner friendly. They walk you through the things without making it feel like homework. The song library's got actual music too. It's not just Mary Had a Little Lamb and hot cross buns until you want to throw your guitar out the window. Now they've got all the usual tools built in, tuner, metronome, the ability to slow songs down when you're struggling, and loop the tricky parts until you nail them. The tuner works fine, and boy oh boy did I need that looping feature. Now most of the lessons focus on open chords, G, C, D, E minor, plus how to switch between them without your fingers feeling like they're tied in knots, right? For brand new players, that is exactly where you need to start. Get the basics down solid and build from there. By the way, if you're interested in giving this a try, check out the link in the description. For most products we talk about, we have special deals that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. So here's the real question. Does Simply Guitar actually work? Well, for beginners, yeah. It does a solid job. It doesn't just toss you in the deep end and hope you don't drown. The lessons are bite-sized, they're easy to follow, and you're playing real songs. Quick, like sooner than you'd expect. The song choices kept me engaged. They mix newer stuff with classics, so you're not stuck learning songs that make you feel like you're 70 years old. When you're practicing along to something you actually know and like, it doesn't feel like work. Now, let's be real about the downsides. That note detection I mentioned, it's a little hit or miss. Sometimes it'd give me credit when I clearly botched a chord, and other times it'd flag me even when I played it right. I knew I played it right, but apparently it's not the way it expected me to play. So I don't know. It can mess with your head when you're trying to build confidence. And if you've already got the basics down, your open chords, basic strumming patterns, you might find yourself hitting a wall pretty quick. It's great for getting your feet wet, but if you're looking to dive like into lead guitar or fingerstyle or really more advanced techniques, you're probably gonna need to look elsewhere once you outgrow this. Also, and this might just be me, but sometimes the app would crash when my phone got a call or text. I mean, that's not a deal breaker, but it's definitely annoying when you're like in the zone, you know? So when I was looking into guitar learning options, I did try out a few other apps just to see what was out there. The big one is Musician. So where Simply Guitar keeps things simple. And I mean that in the best way, because it's all about, getting you playing chords, strumming, songs without bogging you down in theory. Musician leans into that and throws a lot more at you right off the bat. Scales, sight reading, lessons for other instruments. Is it more comprehensive? Sure, but it can feel like drinking from a fire hose when you just want to play Wonderwall at a party and then get memed for doing so. If your goal is just to play a few songs around a campfire or jam along to your favorites, Simply Guitar hits that sweet spot. But if you're dead set on learning music theory and you like math or getting into more technical stuff, you might outgrow it faster than you'd like. Of course, neither one's going to replace a real teacher. But if lessons aren't in the budget right now, or you just like learning at your own pace, the app is a decent place to start. All right, here is my takeaway. If you are brand new to guitar and you just want to get started without all the stress and confusion, Simply Guitar is a solid choice. It is, by the namesake, simple. It's friendly and it gets you making music way faster than any other method. The price is reasonable, especially if you've got multiple people in your house who might use it. And being able to learn real songs instead of just exercises helps push you forward, helps keep you motivated. And by the way, quick reminder, if you're thinking about trying Simply Guitar, don't forget to check out the link in the description. Like I said, for most products we talk about, we have special deals that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. So let me know, what has been your experience learning guitar? Do you have a private tutor? Do you, learn off of YouTube? Drop a comment below and let me know if you use Simply Guitar or any other apps. I'd love to hear how it went for you. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.